Hello, this is David Lorber. I just wanted to touch base with everybody in regards to some items on disabilities. Disability insurance is something that's a vital need when we're talking with business owners. Oftentimes, most attorneys, um, we don't know if they're all talking about disability insurance with their business owner clients. Business owners oftentimes are trying to keep costs as low as possible, so it doesn't even come into contemplation. And then what happens from there is, as everybody is moving forward, this is something that just generally gets overlooked. And it's an unfortunate issue, but nonetheless, overlooking it at that point in time, because everything could be going well or what have you, that's what I'm going to find to be a serious issue. Not so much that it's not being discussed, but so much that it's not even contemplated. Well, disability insurance comes up regularly in my world because essentially, if you don't have disability insurance and you have a catastrophic event, an illness, an injury, something that's life changing, that you can no longer perform your regular duties at work, and you own that business, the money stops immediately. And if there is no disability insurance in place, what you'll find is people are then reliant on the baseline of what services they can get through public services, social services, and what have you. Failure to address those items will have a large intervening effect on the business owner, the business, as well as the family of the business owner. Let me also stop as we're chatting about disability coverage, because another item you may want to contemplate is how many attorneys themselves are entertaining disability insurance, because a lot of attorneys are small business owners themselves. So that's something that we all should look into. It's something that we all should investigate. We should see what the cost factors are going to be, what the protections we're looking for, because as we're going through life and we continue to build a business and a practice, anything we're saying and discussing for a business owner would be applicable to any other professional that would be the trusted advisor. That also is a CPA, any number of various professionals you touch on. Those folks also should be considering their disability insurances and what kind of protection they would need if they had a illness, an injury, or something that just a catastrophic event. Now, the disability portion of buy-sell agreements. I've spoken with Rich previously about the life insurance portion, and we overlook the disability insurance side of it. And I kind of believe that the eventuality of someone passing versus somebody getting disabled or having an issue where they can't go to work and they trigger a disability policy oftentimes is going to happen. And it happens at the absolute worst time, because now all of a sudden you have a key person, a business owner, that can no longer go to work, run their corporation, and they have obligations to a partner. So now you have one partner trying to hold up the entire business and potentially not being able to send any proceeds or funds from the corporation over to the ailing partner, or they're facing reduced, everybody is facing reduced income. How do we make up these shortfalls? So when you have your buy-sell agreement and you have other products in place, there you're looking at, well, if I do have a disability, if I can no longer work, how is this buy-sell agreement going to work? What triggers it? Well, we have the ultimate death or disability of a partner. And if the disability portion isn't covered, you're solely relying on the corporation to cover that whole portion of the buy-sell agreement. And then you have to sit back with your accountant, your CPA, your financial advisor, and see if you can even pencil that. That's why you put disability insurance into a buy-sell agreement.